Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's lesson is about possessive case or apostrophe S. To ask a question about possession, we use the word whose. Whose toy is it? It's Sammy's. The apostrophe S here is called possessive case or genitive case. We use the possessive case or the apostrophe S to show that someone owns something. For example, whose toy is it? It's the toy of Sammy. This sentence is not correct because we don't use the of with a person's name. So the correct answer is it's Sammy's. We use the possessive case after a person's name, like Sammy is a person, so Sammy's toy. After a singular noun, my son is a noun, so my son's toy. After plural nouns ending in S, like my son's, so my son's is a plural noun, and we can't say my son's. That's why we just add the apostrophe without the S, and we pronounce it my son's toy. So let's do this exercise. Ask and answer following the model. Notebook, Zineb. Whose notebook is it? It's Zineb's. Let's correct together. Whose pencil case is it? It's Anna's. Whose books are they? They are Kim's. Pay attention to books here. Books is a plural noun, so we should change the form of verb to be from singular to plural. Is it becomes are they. It is they are. Sentence number 3. Whose ball is it? It's my brother's. Number 4. Whose ball is it? It's my brother's. As you remark, the question does not change because we have the same subject, ball. The word my brother in sentence number 3 is singular, but in sentence number 4 it's plural. And as we said before, number 3, my brothers, we add apostrophe S, and in number 4 we add just the apostrophe because my brothers has got the S of the plural. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe and share it with your friend. Bye bye.